Mr. Tugg says, a question, Joe. Do you ever decide to close a trade before it gets to your stop loss? Yes. If you see it going down and Bitcoin going down, do you ever sell before the stop loss to lessen the loss? No. So there's two parts to that question, and great question. So the question is, do I ever decide to close a trade before it gets to my stop loss? Yes. Now, what I'll do is, I don't normally sell it like a market sell. What I'll do is I already have a stop loss. So with my stop loss, let's just say my stop loss is right here. Well, let's say my stop loss is right here. And let's say my level's right here. And I see the price action coming down and coming down hard. And I'm expecting it to come down, maybe bounce here and come up. But what happens, it comes down, it comes up, it comes down, and then it comes up a little bit, and then it comes down really hard. It's like, oh crap, what do? Do I let it get stopped out, or do I sell it right now? What I do is I get my stop loss, and I move it as close to a level as possible. Let's just say it's right there. It's so close to it, so extremely close. And I say, you know what? I'm going to move it up underneath this support, and I'm just going to have it here. If I get stopped out, whatever. My stop loss was way down here, but I moved it up because the speed that is just dumping. I move it. I don't sell it because there have been times where I've seen Bitcoin dump, and then I look at my coin, and my coin just starts dumping, and I sold it. And then what happens is it found support where it's supposed to, and then it bounced up, and then it took off. There was several of those that happened. Now what I do is I just wait. I put my stop loss, I move my stop loss really close to underneath a support zone, and I wait. And I see if it gets stopped out. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, so that's what I do. I just move up my stop loss. That's all I do. I don't sell it. Now, if Bitcoin dumps and your coin starts dumping and you are not too much into a loss, and you want to sell, then sure, you can sell. However, I would try my best not to do that just because you're kind of trading on emotions. Have a plan. Let's say it's dumping right here. Well, you can get your stop loss and move it up really tight. Move it up really tight because it's right here right now. Move it up really tight. Don't panic sell. Don't just wait, because this is still part of your thought process. This is support. And then what happens if the price comes down here, bounces, even though Bitcoin continues to dump, and then this finds support and goes up? You're still in the trade. If not, you get stopped out at 2% or 10% versus 18%, because if that happens, more than likely it keeps on going. And then in addition to that, also pay attention to the market cap. Lower market cap coins under 500 million will move much faster than a coin that is maybe, $1 billion. Can both of them move fast? Yes. Will lower market cap coins move faster? Definitely, because there's lower market cap. Just like a $500 million market cap will move slower than a $100 million market cap. And that will move slower. 100 million market cap will move slower than a $10 million market cap. So just kind of give you a heads up. It works both ways, going up and going down. Great question. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So if you want just to support the channel, just say, hey Joe, you're the best, and you will become my favorite. It's $19 a month if you want to do that. And then of course, if you want to do the monthly with a credit card, it's right here. It's $99 a month. And of course, you get all this stuff. And then of course, if you want to do lifetime, here's a lifetime. Here's a lifetime. Now, if you want to pay with a crypto, then just send me a message on Telegram. This bull run, last bull run, I had the trader mindset and I did well. Man, did I do well. And I learned a lot. This bull market, I'm doing the investor mindset. The investors are what make the most money. Now, granted, I'm still gonna be trading, still gonna be doing futures, still gonna be doing leverage, still gonna be having fun, having some, regular spot trades, but the majority of my money will be coming from my investment bags. Everybody has their own style, and you just have to find yours. And of course, the longer you're in it, the more styles you've tried. So you can actually, like I mentioned earlier, I have some coins that are investment coins, and those same coins I will buy more of just to trade them. So I'll turn my $100 into 120, that 120 to 140, 140 into, and just on and on and on. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.